In this video, I propose to take three very common problems relating to skin. The first one is corns, also called callosities. This is a horny thickening of the skin on hands or feet. It is caused by pressure. We use Antim Crude 200 when the corns are formed because of pressure of shoes, by and large. There can be some other reasons, but they are not significant. Sulfur 200 is a very useful medicine when there are corns on the soles with itching and burning. Please remember this symptom, itching and burning. And the corns or bunions are caused by tight shoes. The second item in this video is cracks or fissures. I don't have to define them. Everybody knows what cracks on the skin are. How do they look? When there are fissures on palms, we give Calcarea fluorica, CalCarea fluorica 200. In cases of cracks or fissures in hands, when the skin is hard, mind you, this is the defining symptom. The skin is hard, thick and dry. The cracks are deep and itching. The patient cannot sleep due to itching. The medicine to be given is Cistus, Cistus, CAN, CAN 30. There can be cracks around mouth, in nipples, at the ends of fingers, between toes, on labia, on anus, virtually anywhere. There is burning, stitching pain in fissures. The skin is numb and sore. Graphites, Graphites 200 comes in handy, extremely useful in most of the cracks and symptoms of fissures. Now there can be deep cracks, ulcers on hands and feet with piercing pain and pus. This is the distinguishing symptom. Piercing pain and pus. Hepersulf 200 comes in. In most of the sicknesses where there is a piercing pain, as if somebody is trying to make a hole with a sharp pointed nail, Hepersulf comes in. In most of these cases, there would be pus formation as well, with typical burning of the pus. In cases of ulceration, cracks, swelling, splinter-like pain in the canthi of the eye, of the nose, lips, or other mucous junctions, give nitric acid 200. Mark the words mucous junctions. Various parts of the body where there is a natural oozing of mucus. It can be even at the anus. In the eyes it is very common. So where cracks are formed at the mucous junctions, use nitric acid 200. It's very effective. Wherever mucous junctions are involved, invariably we think of nitric acid 200. Now there are cracks which worsen every winter. The skin is dry, it is contracted, it wears a leathery look. A remarkable description of the symptom: the skin wears a leathery look. The medicine which is very effective, is Silica, Silica 200. Then there is burning and itching in vagina and around vulva with cracks and fissures. This requires sulfur 200. Burning and itching in vagina and around vulva with fissures. The third problem that I propose to take up is cyst, CYST, quite common. It's a lump full of fluid or air on any part of the body. It can be of different sizes. It can be near the skin or deep in an organ. An infected cyst is red and sore. It is usually benign. It is not cancerous. However, sometimes it can be cancerous. Then a test of it being cancerous is necessary. For a cancerous cyst, consult a doctor for tests, etc. But for ordinary cysts, where there is stinging pain, there is swelling, inflammation is red, we use Apis 200, APIS 200. Very effective medicine made from honeybee poison. Please listen to the video carefully and tally the symptoms. There is no reason you should not get relief. Thank you for visiting this site.